Mabuhay everyone, my name is Akia Rose J. Alon from HM501P, and today we will be learning about reorder point or ROP and economic order quantity or EOQ. Moving on, let us first discuss reorder point or ROP. ROP is the inventory level at which a new order must be placed to replenish stock before it reaches zero. Here we have the formula for ROP, which is reorder point is equals to usage multiplied by the lead time plus the safety stock. So let us apply the formula with this example. If the company's expected daily usage is 100 bottles of wine, the anticipated delivery is 6 to 10 days. When will the company place the order or the reorder point? So we have our formula. Reorder point is equals to usage multiplied by the lead time plus the safety stock. So our usage is the 100 bottles of wine. Our lead time is 6 to 10 days. And our safety stock will be 4 days. So why 4 days? Because we will be counting 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's exactly 4 days for the safety stock. So ROP is equals to 100 bottles per day for the usage multiplied by the 6 to 10 days lead time plus 100 bottles per day times 4 for the safety stock. ROP is equals to 100 times 6 days plus 100 times 4, which we will have ROP is equals to 600 plus 400 with a total of ROP is equals to 1,000 bottles of wine. So therefore, we can conclude that the company should make the order when level of inventory is at 1,000 bottles of wine. Since we already have our ROP, which is 1,000 bottles of wine, let us now use this in a scenario. For example, we place the order on June 13. We have a lead time of 6 to 10 days. So, the order will arrive on June 19, which is June 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So, we can conclude that on June 19, it is 6 days minimum order lead time. So our safety stock dates will be on June 19 to June 23, which is exactly 4 days. So moving on, let us now discuss about economic order quantity or EOQ. Economic order quantity or EOQ is used to determine the most cost-effective quantity of inventory to order, one that minimizes the total costs of ordering and holding stock. The formula for EOQ or economic order quantity is equals to the square root of 2 multiplied by O, which is the cost of placing an order or ordering cost, and N, which is the number of units required annually, divided by C, which is the annual carrying cost per unit per inventory. Under EOQ, we also compute for 5 other formulas, which is the number of orders per year or NO, the total ordering cost per year or TOC, the average inventory or AI, total carrying cost per year or TCC, and the total cost, which is TC. So here is our example. So there are 10,000 number of jars of honey required annually. The cost of placing an order is 10 pesos, and the annual carrying cost per year jar of inventory is 0.80 pesos. So we have to determine the EOQ, the number of orders per year, the total ordering costs per year, the average inventory, the total carrying costs per year, as well as the total costs. So the formula of EOQ is the square root of 2 times O times N divided by C, which we have discussed earlier. So 2 times 10 pesos, which is our ordering costs, times 10,000 jar, which is the number of jars required annually, divided by our carrying cost, which is 0.80 pesos. Our EOQ is now 500 jars. Second, we are going to compute for the number of orders per year or NO, N divided by EOQ. So NO is equals to 10,000 jars divided by the EOQ that we got earlier, which is 500 jars. So our answer is 20 orders. The total ordering costs per year or TOC. The formula for TOC is equals to NO times OC. TOC is equals to 20 orders, which is the answer that we got earlier, times 10 pesos, which is our ordering costs, which equals to 200 pesos. The average inventory or AI. The formula for AI is equals to EOQ divided by 2. So AI is equals to 500 jars, which is the answer from what we solved earlier from EOQ, divided by 2, which we got 250 jars. Our total carrying cost per year or TCC's formula is equals to AI times CC. So TCC is equals to 250 jars, which is what we got from earlier as well, times 0.80 pesos, which is our carrying costs, which equals to 200 pesos. Lastly, we have our total cost or TC, which has the formula of TOC plus TCC. TC is equals to 200 pesos plus 200 pesos, which equals to 400 pesos. So that would be all for today's discussion, guys. I hope you learned something, and see you again next time. Mabuhay, everyone!